With James Tovey today, it's one of my coaching clients, and we're going to go through a leg session, and James is going to learn what it's like to truly achieve failure today. Hopefully he won't be sick. Okay, let's do 10 reps, because we just warm up, we don't need to waste too much energy. I do. Okay, how's that weight feel? Right, so we've gone up in weight. You're starting to feel that weight that you were just doing. So this weight, we're going to go for between 20 and 30 reps.
Yep.
If we're hitting 30, then we've got to get more weight. If we get close to 20 and you feel not enough weight, then we'll up it to replicate. We don't want to waste energy on an unworking set, okay? So let's go with this. Okay, we're going to try and achieve failure. Ready? Let's go. So you can see how fucked he is, and that's what you should be from 1 or 2 sets. If you're not looking like this from 1 or 2 sets, you ain't training hard enough. You're leaving too much in the tank. If I hadn't been there to push, he'd have stopped at that 10 where there was that bit of hesitation.
Yeah.
But obviously you've got double. Good. That's it, rack 'em.
He's got a low one.
That's it. Good?
Yeah.
I don't think he wanted to do that set, did he? Well, we'll do that another 7 times then, yeah?
Fuck off.
We'll do that once more.
That was probably my normal intensity. That set just.
Yeah.
I reckon.
Right, we'll add another 10 reps then.
You bastard. Why did I say anything? Should probably do another set.
Yep, let's go.
Oh, fuck.
You ready?
Ready as I'm gonna be.
Last one. Push, push, push. There we go, rack it. Yeah.
You're out of breath. I'm going straight into it.
If you feel ready, yeah?
Fuck it.
Let me just check who that is.
It's a madman, honestly.
Go, guys. Is it just you there? That's it. Once, up, and again, up, and again, up, and again. Come on.
It's fucking.
Can you put his ball down there? Can you put that there? That's cheating.
Hey. fucking leg extension as it is. What else we got?
Not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna do hamstrings now.
Goes to show though, you always think you're training as hard as you can, but you never are. There's always more. Fuck, let's do this. Am I doing full on set here or?
Yes, we're gonna go full set. We're gonna go 20 plus reps. So James is done now, he's trained legs. He understands now how to train legs properly. We've discovered he wasn't training legs to a true intensity, but going forward, he does understand now.
Definitely.
If you want to see any more videos like this, give us a like, a share, a follow, and give us a share if you can.